Hopefully we get something, because it looks a little dead. Oh my god. You long gold? It looks dead. I think it looked dead. Heck. Alright, alright. Let's see. Try and get everything ready. We can't help it, Bob. It happens. Can't help it sometimes. See, oh, I mean, gold's pumping up right now. Watch that order block. If it can't get up, then it's probably gonna reverse. I would scale out, bro. You still in your funded? What I always tell you, Bob, micros, fucking micros. Nice, you got a payout? Sweet. If you still want to trade, you know, a size of a mini, that's up to you. But you can still do 10 micros instead. So if you have to scale out, you can. Right at that midline here. These are hard to trade though. You can gamble in it, but you got to make sure you put your stop loss right above it.
Daddy? Is that you? Abdullah. Welcome. Oh, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
That was an accident. I actually thought it was a regular combine. I was just doing combines today to yeah. I was like, oh shit, this is a fucking PA account. Right? Fuck. I burned like 8 accounts though today, just trying to fucking gamble $20 because I don't really care. But now it's starting to add up, so I gotta slow down. Your test refund? I never had that deal. Maybe it's delayed. I don't even know. Mr. Bastard. Uh, 280? Will it reach 280? Let's see here. I mean, there's a lot of resistance to get there. But it looks like it's curling. There's a good chance. $30, probably a little cuckoo. I'm more curious this gold here. Of gold. I don't want to short it. You know how gold can get dead. It can become dead. Oh, you're shorting it? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. If I was to short this, my stop loss would be 336.3. Right above the VWAP. I don't know if this is gonna come down though. Fucker. Nah, have a good one, bro. I'll be on Monday and Tuesday. Does look a little bearish here. Hey, these fucking 1 minute little micros hold out like crazy.
Daddy? Is that you? Hiya, 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 hiya. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Might fall. See if I can get it in time. Oh, you fucker. I don't want to chase it, but... What I do?
Order filled.
I'm gonna aim for this little other micro one. It's at 328. What do I have? What the fuck are you doing there, copy trader? That's great. It won't let me fucking trade. What the fuck? Three accounts. I'm not sure why it's doing that.
Order filled. Is Trump signing something? Bill signing ceremony. I was looking for right here. Probably like just above this to keep it safe. I can even probably get into. Order filled.
Drop a little lower, baby.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out. Little scalper. Thing comes back up, touches this little order block here. Weak. How'd you guys all do today? Tweet that one account I blew up. It wasn't a PA account, so I don't really care, but got a week for the tweak, yeah. How'd you do so far today? I think this is the one we took a jab on. We took a jab on one of these. I think it was this. Made like $1,700, and I was going in heavy because I want to pass some more Apex to get the with a little more PA counts. We got out like $1,700, $1,800. It comes back down, and I'm like, I'm gonna buy some right here. And it didn't fucking stop bleeding the entire time. I was like, oh my god. And then I tried it again down here. Some shit, and it just fucking wiped me out. Nice. Slow and steady, brother. You got this. Give me something good to eat. MNQ. MNQ's kind of dead, guys. If you guys didn't see before, the reason why I was being aggressive on the Apex accounts is because they're $20 for any size that you want. And then I believe out the door is like $85. So the $20 account, it's a good thing and it's a bad thing at the same time, because you got to make sure you don't fucking go straight gamble mode, because that's what I do sometimes. You're like, it's $20. Let me fucking rip 5. You know, it's $100. Let me try 5 times. But if you guys do want to get that discount, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. Give me the loot, give me the loot. Don't force anything. Man, why is my camera not working on YT? If you can't see me in YT, my bad. I don't know why he's doing that. Give me the loot, give me the loot. I'm a bad man. So I didn't get the full story, but I believe today, the
According to
reason why
sources, about 11 million barrels of Venezuelan oil and fuel are stuck in tankers in Venezuelan waters following seizure and sanctions.
so we seized their
Further
tanker,
from
right?
this, no large oil tankers have sailed from Venezuela since US vessel seizure on Wednesday, and exports are at a minimum. That's according to sources and shipping data. Only Chevron chartered tankers have sailed from Venezuela carrying crude since US vessel seizure.
I believe the reason for this fall was Oracle. I guess 2 of their huge projects got pushed back another year. And they're kind of like a secret juggernaut moving up in the ranks. So it definitely slowed the progress down. And then one of the feds, I think his name is Guzman. What's his name? Goolsby started saying that he didn't see another rate cut for a long time. A long time. He said it like that. So that probably really fucking spooked the market here. Hopefully we get a little soul collector here. I'll be down for that. Come on, a little further.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump.
Give me something, baby. All right. We're live. Fuck. We're going to get 2? Are we going to get gold in this? Yeah, I was going to say. MNQ's got a flag and gold's got a flag. Oh, no. Not gold yet. We're both going to have it probably. MQ going really nice though. Yeah. No, but we got a soul collector on NASDAQ. Gold did not get there yet. Bouncing off the order block right now. Hasn't been a good day. Yeah, today was rough. I mean, I was fucking around with a lot of the cheap accounts today. But it wasn't easy. Come on down, baby. What's next? These lows? I'm gonna draw this out so we can see this on the 1 minute. I will be getting this order block out to you guys, the VIP members. Just give me a little bit longer. I feel like I've cleaned it up so much more since then too. Like right now, you have your micro order blocks, which is the purple ones, the candles. been doing really fucking good. I can't believe like how many times price could snag on it. And look at this fucking thing. It's gonna come right down to it, isn't it? These purple older blocks, obviously they were filled, but you can still see what they were doing if you want to look at the past. Most likely this wants down here. Gold's still chilling. I love gold. Well, I'm gonna switch over to M and Q right now, and then as soon as gold breaks, we can switch over because this looks like it wants to crash more. Gold. I mean, Nasdaq. I'm gonna put a sell order right at this lower low here. Damn it, I marked it on the other fucking chart. Might fill us right now.
Stop filled.
All right. We are in.
Order filled.
Been short on Nasdaq. We're gonna see if it touches at least the tip of this. I feel more comfortable doing that. Yes, it can come down further to 154s. Yeah, gold looks dump. There it is. There's gold. Okay, so gold flag too.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
I'm out of the Nasdaq, and it can come down to 152s. I just don't know yet what it's gonna do. Of course it is. Of course it is. You little pussy. Bully bears, you pussy! All right, K1. Is that from my trades? Jeez, I'm making this guy a lot of money. See, he's not a pussy. It's me. This one might be off. I don't know. Gold. We gotta watch the time too. This fucking fair value gap's huge. I wanted to come down just a little bit. Not bad action for fucking, you know. I'm down 75, just waiting, and I listened to someone else and lost 1,000 on 4 MNQ and trying to hold it on the way down. Who you listening to, bro?
Chevron said to have Venezuela oil license extended.
How dare you? How dare you, Dad? I want to break up. Who were you watching? It cussed. Cussed trying with another. Oh, just trying another. Hawaii on TikTok or yeah, this market is not easy. This is a hard market. Okay, good. I want this to come down more a little bit, I think. Just because this fucking fair value gap's huge. Alright, gold's got the movement here. Problem is where do we hold it to? We can easily hold it to this first order block here. But we got our first rocket. I want to wait for a higher low and a second shift. And is M and Q gonna drag it down? And what do we think MOC is gonna be? Lower low here. If it breaks this, it can come down to at least 152s. I don't want to try it. All right, let's try it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just a little scalp here. Nothing crazy. What was it yesterday? It was right. She was right, but it didn't hold up. It collapsed like instantly, I think. Or I don't know, yesterday. Maybe it was yesterday. Maverick says, don't listen to anyone. Take your own trades and own them. Oh, Daddy does. I feel like every time I like, if I ever try to copy somebody else or, you know, try to learn their style, they end up fucking me up. You gotta find, like, even if they're right, they got their own style. You gotta find which one tweaks to you guys. What are you gonna do there, gold? I want to get in more. I don't want to be a
Order
pussy.
filled.
I want to be like K1. I'm going to try to hold this until the candles turn colors. Or not our normal strategy. Because it's starting to move, right? So I don't see why it won't change colors when it's oversold. Why should be the time it's fucking good not gonna do that. We definitely don't want it to hammer like this on the midline. I definitely don't want that. It needs to fall. Alright, it's already orange, fucker. We're gonna take one out.
Order filled.
All right, I'm not too sure I trust it.
Order filled.
All right,
Order
I'm being a
filled.
pussy again. I feel like it was gonna come back and hit it. See, yeah. I feel like it was gonna when it turned that yellow. When my candle turned that bright yellow and it says oversold and then goes to orange, it's kind of losing momentum. It's like teetering. So the green, nice. And I like when these are smaller. So when it does close above it, start going. We're gonna get one good trade. Oh, this gold one's a little hard. Most likely, if you're in this gold trade, I would probably target to the bottom of this 329s. Even though the blue line's the safest, but we're right there, so I don't even know if I want to take that. But we can get on an MNQ here. Okay, got our first one. Gotta have patience. I do want to wait for a higher and low. Maybe. It all depends on how quick this goes up. Is there a lot of people live? I'm not getting many people in here. Hey, I don't know if you guys remember that one guy. I gotta message him. Brooklyn. He looks like he's at a resort. Remember he kept saying that he's go to like some weird fucking like. I want to message him now. Is this the trading resort? All right. Here's the decision time. Do we fucking get in now, or we just wait for a high or low? What do you guys think? Why am I in the bottom of all these Pokemon players? Looks like hopefully we can get a higher low. That'd be fucking sweet. That's all we need. We need that perfect setup. $209 OB aligns with the cookie. Oof. Do you think it goes there and then maybe pulls back? Let's see. 190, 190? 6? What are those levels that you're showing me? These lines are really old and it still works. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of different shit here. In Apex account, there has a strategy form. Is it mandatory fill up to get first payout? No. I don't know what the fuck that is. I've gotten plenty of payouts. I don't know what the hell it is. I don't know why the hell they have that there. Perfect. Pull back, baby. Pull back. I never
According
had
to the
to
Wall
fill
Street
that
Journal,
out.
Trump says the next Fed chair should consult with him on interest rates. Trump says interest rates should be 1% or lower a year from now. Trump says he's leaning towards Walsh or Hassett to lead the Fed.
Bam, look at this gold. Fucking pussy me. Right to it, look, now it's denying it. See, I'm getting better at it. I'm getting better at it. Man,
Seeing a little bit of strength
I
in
feel
the
like this
dollar
might be
off
it.
the back of those headlines.
I'm gonna get in one small at least.
Order filled.
I'm getting antsy. If it pulls
Order
back the
filled.
way that I want it to, then we'll get in a little more. But this looks like it just wants to rip up. And maybe it does want that 209s first. You know what? I'm gonna get in two then.
Order filled. Order filled.
You're behind the markets. If you're
Order filled.
All right, taking out the one, just in case.
Order filled.
Go back to the 1 minute. Now, I'm just weary on that because there's so much fucking order blocks here. But now this is my real fucking my exit here. These are hard to get in when there's no fucking pullback. Maybe when the rockets are close. Yeah, I wish I went in a little heavier, guys. Pussy! That's what I am today. Let's look at your lines. What was that next line after that? 216s? We're past 216. Oh, actually, we're kind of like bumping on it, right? Next one's 222. You didn't have any lines above that? This has been kind of working. I've been doing the micro order blocks, the ones that's closest to the blue line or VWAP. 256. See, like that would be right on this bigger order block with a lot more volume. Yeah, you should be okay as long as you you got to pay out already, FCR? Didn't you just sign up? That's awesome. Yeah, as long as you listen to the 30% rule, you shouldn't have a problem at all. Oh, but are you close? Fighting on this fucking cloud here, guys. Just Google it real quick. I can help you in a second with that. Maybe I can check too. Unless they changed it within like past month. Is this where I can fill my second one in?
Order filled. Order filled.
I added one more. If I lose a little, I lose a little. Still looking for this area here. If it does come up here, that'd be cool too, but not too sure. Time? Oh shit, it's 3:50. Fuck! Why didn't I hear it? Oh, it was paused. NASDAQ 570 million. Fuck. To the plus side though. Plus side. S&P 500, $1.7 billion. Hopefully it pulls back up. I didn't realize the time, man. I think we all kind of forgot, didn't we? I would have definitely never fucking added that, and I probably would have took the profit right here. Hopefully it's still okay, and then we get it. I'm not sure why it dropped. A lot of money that went in. Lots of moolah. Right up to this, to the stronger one. Mama didn't raise no bitch. Sorry. I'm a little aggressive today, I think. With my words. Come on, daddy. The time is kind of against us right now, guys. I didn't realize that it was 3:53 already. Thought we saw like another 5 minutes before 50. And I should have known that if I didn't fucking mute my news. And honestly, Trump is kind of saying he's leaning towards another Fed to lead. And he said that it should consult with him and it should be 1% or lower a year from now. It's really fucking bullish. Oh, X of death. Fuck off. Fuck off. Minus all my profit so far. He misses powers.
According to CNBC, Trump says Kevin Walsh is at the top of Fed chair candidate list.
So is Powell really retiring? There it goes. Just needed some time. There's that higher low. Should continue up now. Mac, Danny Whack, Penny Whack. I should probably take one out though, right? Just because of what time it is. You know what time it is.
Fed's Daily says Fed mandates were in conflict, but cutting rates was the right choice.
Fed Bowman speaks right now
Order
as
filled.
we fucking mother. Hopefully he's
Order filled.
in the right direction.
We have posted the article from CNBC on the feed for those interested.
Oh, happy days. Oh, happy days.
Fed's Daily says inflation was too high, but Fed can't let job market falter.
Yeah, I was reading before Powell might want to retire. I didn't. I see all that fake news sometimes. I don't know what the fuck's real. I haven't time to look it up.
Fed's Daily says rate cut puts Fed in place to achieve both of its goals.
Fed Daily says rate cut puts Fed in place to achieve both of its goals. See, this guy's talking bullish as fuck. The guy in the morning time. The guy in the morning time was talking doom. Not even doom. He's actually saying he doesn't see an interest rate cut at all. Like for a very long time. He said it over and over again. That's why it fell so hard this morning. Along with Oracle's pushing their projects back. Now this Fed comes out and saying a cut in the rates is gonna put us right on target. So it's like, who the fuck? Why do they do this to play games? Which pro firm do you think is the best in the market? I want to recommend one to a friend who has been trading live. Goal is getting paid multiple times a week. Honestly, it depends on what you like more. So far, I like Apex. But you have to be disciplined. And it's cheap right now. So if you're a beginner, it's great to learn. But also, like, you can get like 10 Apex accounts and fucking rip the benefits. 20 Apex accounts gives you $40,000 every 8 days. So you can go that route. And then I've been using Lucid Flex plan. 2 days to pass. It's almost the same exact thing as Top Step, but you can use it on Creative 8, but it's a little bit less cash you can take out. You can only take out 2 G's at a time. Hopefully they up that. If they up that, they're going to be just probably even better than Top Step, to be honest with you. So that's my two. Because you can make the most with Apex.
Chevron shares edge lower, closes down 0.5%.
But it all depends. Like, if he's new to the prop firm world, no take profit trader. You could do take profit trader too. I've been staying away from them. I kind of feel like it's gambling to me. I've been gambling way too much with take profit trader. But Lucid has end of day drawdown. Apex has live trailing drawdown.
Broadcom shares closed down 11% in the worst day since January.
My plan is to take it slow, get 5
The
PA
Philadelphia
counts.
Semiconductor Index falls 5.1%, the worst day since October 10th. The S&P 500 closes 1.1% lower, the Nasdaq 100 down 1.9%.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, I don't know. It's really up to you. You can't go wrong with fucking Apex as long as you're disciplined. And to be honest with you, with this kind of a market, if you just size down, you can see me right now. I only did like 1 micro, maybe basically 1 micro. And I made 2, 4, 6. If this goes my way, it'll be $600 in 35 minutes. 40 minutes. You really gotta feel which way you want. But if you want more of end of day drawdown, I feel like Lucid's been the best. Unless you want to go to Top Step. Top Step has the better rules, but they have their own platform. I've been going a little crazy, like testing all the prop firms, and so far I like Lucid and Apex. I think I'm gonna run with those.
Fed Staley says she backed the vote to cut rates at the FOMC this week.
If Lucid raises their payout, they're gonna fucking dominate. I bet you they are. They're dumbasses if they don't. Absolutely dumbasses if they don't fucking up it to like 4K. If they up it to 4K, they're gonna fucking run the market.
Well, hello everybody, this is
But who knows if they can
Trump.
afford it? No idea. Lucid also has direct funded too. Of course, it's more money. You got to pay for it up front. I never had to do direct funded. I don't know if any of you guys like that. I've always passed evals very easily, so it was never a problem for me. But take profit trader is still good. I get in gambling mode and take profit trader. But there's nothing wrong with them. And what else sucks too is that they got a 5-day fucking eval. If they made it like 2 or 3 days, it would fucking... And I would be like, alright, now we talking. That all depends, Adrian. How it's matching them? What oh, was that a 5-minute chart that you were showing me? That was 1 minute? Why does it look so different? I think, well, I'm looking at your shit and it looks like 196. It looks like it's using it as support now. Your blue line at 196. And 216. Looks like it's wedged in between both. We might not have any more juice left in this. Yeah, those old support and resistance lines are great sometimes. It's not fucking going up. I guess, I don't know. Maybe it could be. Let me look at the 5.
Fed's daily says risks remain to employment and from inflation.
Fucking Fed is still talking. Hey, hey, hey. Well, let me look up your Apex. Let me see. Hey, on Apex prop firm, whatever the fuck it's called, trading, do you have to fill out your strategy to get a payout?
I haven't heard that you have to fill out a specific strategy to get a payout from Apex Trader funding.
But why do they have it there? There's like a form you can fill out to tell them your strategy.
It's possible they have a form for other purposes, like internal review or optimizing their offerings.
No, it's on their main page when you're signed in on their dashboard. It says like, you know, fill out your strategy.
If it's on the dashboard, it might be related to compliance or helping them better understand their trader base.
Well, look it up.
However,
Stop guessing. You have the power of the fucking internet in your brain.
I've checked the payout requirements, and the main criteria are completing a minimum of trading days, achieving profit on a certain number of those days, and maintaining a specific balance, including drawdown limits. There's no mention of explicitly documenting your strategy for payout qualification. The form might be for different reasons.
All right, thank you. that's Google. That's Gemini. When I want simple, direct answers, I'll use Gemini. When I want some complex shit, I'll ask Nova. Because that bitch is wild. I might get knocked off on TikTok, guys. I filled out the detected inactivity and it's still counting down. If I do get logged out, I will be on Monday. I actually probably will be on Sunday night, but I will be on Monday and Tuesday. It says 1 minute until live ends, and it's just circling the bar. But I'll probably close this in profit. Yeah, this thing is lagging for some reason. Mr. Bassett, we'll be on. Yeah, I don't know why the fuck it's doing this. Let me try to refresh it down here. Oh, I might be able to get it. I might be able to get it. I don't know. Later, tweak. I don't know if I'm able to get this shit. It's not working. God. Oh, I got it. What the fuck? All right, I'll be here for a second. I don't. Thing's fucking weird. And I tried to look up like day traders to see why I don't have anybody in there, and it looks like this Pokemon filled up the entire thing. You can't even find another day trader. Honestly, I might take it out here at 218.75s. I could be right, but time is really not on our side. And there is a Fed speaking. I believe the Apex deal ends Tuesday, guys. So if you're gonna get those counts for 20 bucks, it ends Tuesday. And I'm going to think maybe they might extend it, but I don't believe they're gonna do another discount for a while. They do this sometimes because they can't do it too much, or else people expect it. And then, because I've seen it without deals for like 3 months, and then it's always like 50% off though, but.
Finishing off the session
I
with
tried
the
to get
US
more.
market wrap, Wall Street traders took profits in the year's top artificial intelligence performers, putting global equity benchmarks back from the edge of record highs. Longer dated bond.
King, I tried to get a couple more PAs today. I gambled the shit out of some of them, not gonna lie. I was like 20 bucks. I was hitting 20 micros at a time, but it was going against me. If I just get fucking a few of them and just trade normal, I don't see why the fuck I don't just do that. I probably will end up doing that. You did the same thing? Yeah, I'm like, dude, 20 bucks? I think I dished out like 8 of them today, I'm not gonna lie. Exactly. That's it, my exact process. But it's also bad at the same time because they make so much money off me. I think I'm gonna start doing. What do you recommend? How do you gamble those? I've been doing like I mostly do 10 micros on there. And anytime I go past like 15 to 20, like I'll get lucky on those good ones, but sometimes if I go too high, because you know how it's live trailing drawdown. So like say I'm up $800 and then it comes back down. It just fucks you. I think it's too large. So you stick with 10 contracts? Ah, you got a science down. So 3 trades you can make for 5 points you can pass. It's not too bad actually. I like that science. And that's all it takes? I'm trying to think in my head. So say it's like so each trade is 5 points, 10 micros, which is basically a mini, right? Yeah, I guess that's 3K. I like that. And if I just trade normal, because knock on wood, I'm mostly fucking green every time when I take my time and actually trade right. But when I'm gambling, I'm fucking different story, bro. Maverick, you said, I don't understand that trailing drawdown as a position as unrealized gains. That's ups the limits. It makes it much harder, Maverick. So it forces you to trade small. But again, Apex wants to make money and get the suckers. So if you use too big of a size and you're up $800 and you don't close it out and it comes down and you're still green, you actually technically lost $800. You didn't lose $800, but you lost that buying power. Yeah, I did this. I usually could do that, King. Not today, though. Bro, this thing was a fucking mess. Right here is where I fucked up. I almost passed 4 accounts today. And here fucked me up. Was it here? Or was it? Wherever the fuck it was on the bottom. I think I caught that. Somewhere around here was all fucked up. Might have been like here and here. That's where it fucked me up. This is NQ, yeah. Well, this is the... I like micro. NQ. Anto? Yeah. Oh, you get in that gamble mode too when it's this cheap? Well, if you guys want, use code BULLY. All caps, BULLY. To get those discounts. And I do push them out. For I do push a free account giveaways. We did one Monday, actually. It was our first one that we ever did. I gave it away an $80 account. But like right now, $20, I wouldn't mind fucking giving away like 4, $20 accounts. But all the money I get, I'm gonna try to start dishing it back to you guys. Helps you out and it helps me out grow, right? Because I get money and you guys get money. Yes, I made a lot of money with Take Profit Trader. My only problem is, like, after my first payout, I'll gamble the shit out of it. And I'll lose it. And, then when you start all over, you gotta do 5 fucking days again. I'm like, it promotes a lot of gambling in me, so I've been staying away a little bit. I think it was just because I made a lot of money. And then I kept trying to catch back up. So I was kind of spinning my wheels with them. But the 5-day thing, if they made it like 2 days or 3 days, I would say they would fucking rock the market. Right now, I've been like in Apex, obviously, because you can really scale up if you're smart. And then I've been rocking Lucid for the past week and a half, 2 weeks. They're not bad. They're basically Top Step, but on like old school style again. Yeah, Lucid. I like their flex plans. They have direct funded too. They're up and coming. Right now, if they raised the take profit, they're gonna dominate the entire market. So I'm like, I emailed them that. I don't know, because maybe I was trying to email them to see if like I got some kind of influence to make them do it. I have no clue, but it was just a recommendation. They would literally beat
Order
Top
filled.
Step. There we go.
Order filled.
Not bad. We made $650, $700 this hour. So not too bad for hopping on for Power Hour, because I wasn't really expecting much. But we had our Soul Flag. Souls are trapped, baby. We had our Rockets. Blast off. I bet you this does go to our TP eventually, but the gamble. Time is not on our side. Going slow. And that's probably going to be it for me, guys, for today. Gold still got fucking juice, huh? I don't want to. I'm too scared to trade at this time. FZR. I looked up that rule for you. It says that you don't have to if you're still there. Do that strategy for that thing. You place trades on TradingView? Yes. So I have usually one account connected to my Tradeovate down here, Tradeovate. So I have it connected to Tradeovate, and then I have Tradeovate connected to TradingView. So I have it one on there, so I can see all my shit that I like to trade with, and then I have 5 screens, so I have another Tradeovate on the right of me, and I trade copy that. But if I get more Lucid accounts, which I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna try that one copy trader. But it costs money. What do you use for copy trading? I use Tradeovate. That's what I've always used. I always had usually I had Top Step X, Tradeovate, and then I had of another account Tradeovate connected to TradingView. But now I kind of want to scale up and use that what the fuck's it called? TradeSyncer? TradeSyncer, you can have up to 200 accounts. All you need is one master account. So say I picked this account to be my master. As soon as I place a trade here, it goes across 200 of them. which is wild. Oh, you like them? I heard of those. Let me look that one up. I know there's a couple of them that are coming up, right? Rep. And you like them? How much does this one cost? This is for Ninja Trader? This looks expensive, bro. Yeah, no. The trade sinker is no lag. I see people use it all the time. They have like fucking 50 to 100 counts on there. Pretty wild. It's just it's monthly fucking. It's a monthly fee though. $50 for the basic account. You can have 2 connections. So say like I used Apex and Lucid, right? I can have 2 connections, which would be those 2 prop firms, and then I can have 10 accounts per connection. So I can have 20 accounts for the $50 basics, which isn't too bad. And there's a 7-day trial, or you could do the $100 a month, which is 4 connections and 20 accounts per connection, so you can have up to 80 accounts. And then the Pro, which is $150, you can have 120 accounts, which is insane. Unlimited connections. Oh yeah, if you like Tradeovate and do that. But I love placing trades in TradingView, because you can connect your Tradeovate to TradingView, so that's what I do. And all my shit's on TradingView. Like, this is my, like, I love this. Yeah. Alright guys, I think this market's gonna be dead. I will be on Monday and Tuesday, and I probably will be on Sunday night. It depends. If you guys aren't following me, hit that follow button. Today I did work today, and I was able to get on for Power Hour. We made about $700 on Power Hour, so not too bad. Literally fucking, you guys watched me. I was only doing 1 micro. So I'm thinking about taking like 20 counts, doing 1 micro. What time Sunday? It's an if on Sunday, but if I was to, probably like 8 p.m. maybe 7 p.m. Eastern New York time. I'll let you guys know in Discord. And that's a maybe, but like Monday and Tuesday I'll definitely be on in the morning time. Alright, King, later, bro. Yeah. So, free Discord in the bio if you want to know when I'll be live. Schedule's in there. Later, Mr. Dad. Adrene. Yeah, I'm fucking tired. Apex. Ends Tuesday. If you want to buy us any more accounts for $20 each, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. Also, Lucid, I gotta take this off. Lucid has a 40% off right now. Until further notice. So, probably a good time to buy more of that too. I just need to get the copy trader first. Before I get any more. I was gonna say, why this shit's so expensive. Alright, so $78. Yeah, the direct fund is expensive. I don't know, we'll see. What else I gotta say? If you guys want access to some indicators, VIP section in the free Discord. Totally up to you. 30-day free trial. After the free trial, it is $30 for the month. So Lucid Pro, you have your daily loss limit, and you can take out a little bit more money. Let me see how much money you can take out. Let's go over Lucid real quick. Flex. The Flex, there is no daily loss limit. It's end of day, period. Take out $2,000, up to $2,000, 50% of your count, up to $2,000 you can take out. But all you need to do is have 5 winning trading days. So say you made $1,500, you can take out half of that right away. That's what's cool about it. But you risk losing your account too, though. And then Lucid Pro, let me look at that one. The Lucid Pro is a little bit more money. Not by much, but you have that daily loss limit, which fucking drives me crazy. But now I'm curious too. I'm gonna look up real quick. Was that Lucid Pro? Lucid Pro payouts. And there's a consistency rule too in Lucid Pro. And Flex has no consistency. And you must have a buffer to take out a payout, which makes it harder. It just doesn't make sense to go Lucid Pro. I'm looking at it now, and it's like $1,500 for your payouts, $2,000 payout for your third and fourth. But Flex is where it's at right now for sure. And you can also, like, after 5 payouts, they put you in a live account up to 5G. So it's more than others for sure. But as of right now, Top Step might be a little better if you're okay with trading on their platform. But if the Flex adds a little bit more TP, like to take your profit, I'm pretty sure they would fucking own. So we'll see what they do. Did that answer your questions? So I've been liking the Flex. I do not have a payout with them yet, but I heard it's like lightning. It's like, as soon as you request a payout, it's in your bank account in like fucking 10 seconds. And fuck it, like say you didn't want to get the max payout, you could just take out like $400 or $500 each one. It's basically Top Step, but less money. Top Step at right now. I know Top Step is oh, you got the Pro for what? Lucid? Did you just get that recently? You just got it now or something? Or you had it? Oh, now? Did you use code BULLY? Nice. So like, when you were reading it, it seems like the Pro is like it. I don't know. It's doesn't seem appeasing to me, or unless I'm missing something. All right, so Top Step is $10 more, or I know it's $89 if you don't want the fee and pay it up front, and then I believe it's $129, so it's still really expensive, $129. So I guess Top Step is a little pricier, but you can get out more money. That's what I'm saying. If Lucid pulls out fucking, if Lucid gives you more money on your payouts, it would fucking dominate. I hope they do it. Because I was in their Discord fucking around asking them, and some of them said they think it's gonna happen. Oh, what's this? Upgrade to Pro. Oh, that's My Funded Futures. Sorry. My Funded Futures is probably good too, but it pissed me off. I think Lucid Pro too, you might be able to hold it through news. Well, news doesn't matter. I think you might be able to swing trade too. So, interesting. I'll have to look more at it. It just seems like Flex is better in my opinion. Because I look at the payout rules for Pro, and I'm like, you can actually make more money on fucking Flex. A lot faster, too. And if you really wanted to, you could take out like $100 every 5 days if you wanted to. Just to cover whatever the fuck you paid. And that won't even hurt you. I do know, though, once you take a payout on Lucid, your stop loss down goes to 50,100. So you gotta choose wisely. I don't know. All right, guys. I'll see you guys either Monday or Sunday night. Later. And have a good weekend.